Sairam children, how are you all? I hope you all are safe, fine at your homes. So children, today is our environmental studies class and we are doing chapter number 7 from New Getting Ahead in Social Studies. What is the name of the chapter? Saudi Arabia, the land of hot sands. Right? Half of the chapter we have done and today we will continue this chapter. In our last class we have studied that what type of clothes women wear in Saudi Arabia and what type of clothes man and boys generally wear in Saudi Arabia. Okay, and today also we will continue the chapter with the people. Okay, traditionally the people of Saudi Arabia were nomads. What are nomads? You must have studied in your previous classes. What are nomads? Nomad means the people who move from one place to another. They don't live permanently on one place. They keep on moving or shifting from one place to another. Okay. So traditionally the people of Saudi Arabia were nomads, moving from one place to other. Even today, many people follow this lifestyle. Means in this century also some people are following this lifestyle that they become nomads. They are nomads. They are called Bedouins. Bedouin. Traditionally, the people of Saudi Arabia were nomads moving from place to place. Even today, many people follow this lifestyle. They are called Bedouins. Okay. Their main occupation is rearing cattle. They move from place to place in search of pasture for their flocks of goat, sheep and camel. What is the meaning of pasture? It means the open area which is covered with grass. The open area or the area which is covered with grasses. Alright. They live in tents made up of animal skins. Okay. They sell animals and their products at marketplaces in villages and buy food grains, dates and other things. They sell animals or the products from the animals in the marketplaces which are in the villages, and they buy food grains, dates or other things. Alright. The lifestyle of Bedouins is also changing now. Means their lifestyles is changing. More and more of Bedouins are beginning to settle down in one place and use jeeps and cars for moving around. Earlier they are using animals and they are moving from one place to other or place to place. They are called Bedouins, right? Their main occupation is rearing cattle. They move from one place to other place in search of pastures for their flocks of goats and sheep. They live in the tents made up of animal skins. They sell animals and their products in the market which is in the village and buy food grains, dates or other things. Their lifestyle is changing now as we are becoming modernized. So, their lifestyle is also changing. More and more Bedouins are settling down at one place and they are using jeep, cars for moving one place to another or moving around. Okay. See, a Bedouin family inside the tent. See the picture. Okay. Now we talk about the industry in Saudi Arabia. Industries in Saudi Arabia. Several large industries have been set up here. Several large industries have been set up here using the money earned by selling petroleum. Several large industries are there in Saudi Arabia, and how they are set up? These are set up by the money which is earned by selling petroleum. Okay. Some of these are petroleum refining, iron and steel, cement and fertilizers. Some industries are, which are large scale industries, here are petroleum refining, this is the main industry, petroleum refining, iron and steel, cement and fertilizers. This has further increased the wealth and prosperity of the people. This has further increased the wealth. Obviously, whenever there is a factory or where there is a large scale industry of petroleum, the wealth of that nation automatically increase, and the prosperity of the people also increase. Now we have religious importance in Saudi Arabia. The religion Islam was founded in Saudi Arabia. First of all, Saudi Arabia is an Islamic country. They follow the religion of Islam, and the religion Islam was founded in Saudi Arabia by Prophet Muhammad. Okay. Millions of Muslims from all over the world come to Makkah, their pilgrimage place, Makkah, the most important pilgrimage center of the Muslim. Okay. Medina is another important religion center here. Okay. First of all, Saudi Arabia is an Islamic country, and Islam is founded by Prophet Muhammad. Millions of Muslims from all over the world come to Makkah. This is the most important pilgrimage center of the Muslims. This is the most important place for the Muslims for worship their God. Okay. Medina is another important religious center here. Okay. Now see, this is Makkah, the important pilgrimage of Muslims. People are offering prayers or nawaz at the great mosque in Makkah. Okay. Saudi Arabia is an excellent example of hot and barren desert being changed into rich and prosperous land. As you know, the name of the chapter is Hot Sand. Saudi Arabia, the land of hot sand. Still, this hot and barren desert is changed into a rich and prosperous land because of the petroleum. Okay, because petroleum is the main industry there. Petroleum, iron and steel, cement, fertilizers. Because of these means the government has used the natural resources found in the country very intelligently to benefit the people. Petroleum, these are petroleum, iron and steel, these all are natural resources, right? Right. So government has used these natural resources in such a way that it benefits the people only. The money earned from this help them in developing their country, help them in developing the standard of living of their people. They are also becoming modernized. They are making the cities modernized, right? So the government has used the natural resources which is found in Saudi Arabia very intelligently, that benefit the people. Okay. Now, do you know Saudi Arabia is an Islamic state? That means its official religion is Islam. This is different from India, which is a secular state. India is a secular state. There is no official religion in India. In India, there are so many religions, right? So the people belongs to many religions here. In India, you find Hindus, Sikh, Christians, Muslims, Jain, Buddhism. These all are different religions. So these religions are found in India. Every citizen is free to follow whatever religion he she choose. In India, there is no official religion. Okay, every citizen is free to follow whatever religion he she choose. But Saudi Arabia is an Islamic state, and there that means its official religion is Islam. Okay, children. Now we will quickly recap what we have studied in this chapter. Okay. First of all, we studied that most of Saudi Arabia is hot and dry desert, right? Only cacti and some shrubs grow in the desert. The land around oasis is used for agriculture. Which type of crops are grown here? Date palms, wheat and barley. Saudi Arabia is a rich country because of the vast deposit of petroleum. Saudi Arabia is a rich country because of the vast deposits of petroleum. Okay. Saudi Arabia has modern cities, but society is traditional. Saudi Arabia has modern cities, but the people, the society is traditional, right? The women wear abayas, which is black color, only eyes are exposed, and men wear thobes, white color, loose fitting white color robe, right? Most nomads of Saudi Arabia are called Bedouins, but now Bedouins are settling down at one place and they are using jeeps, car for moving around. Okay. Makkah and Medina are two important Muslim religious centers in Saudi Arabia, which are visited by millions of Muslims every year. These are the Makkah and Medina are the two important Muslim religion center in Saudi Arabia, which are visited by millions of Muslims every year. As you can see in this picture, see, the picture is not clear, but this place is filled with millions of millions of Muslims together worship here their God. Okay. Have you understood this chapter? This ends with the chapter number 7, Saudi Arabia, the land of hot sands. I hope you understand this chapter very well. Read the chapter from your book. Try to do the book exercises, which are very easy. You can do it. If you read the chapter, if you have seen the video thoroughly, you can able to do the exercises. Okay, children? We will meet in our next class. Till then, take care of yourself and your